Hi, Mike Krekla with Tsunami Compressed Air Solutions. Today I want to introduce a new product to you, and that is our Core Series dryer package. Now this is an intermittent dryer system meant for low pressure point of use applications, and it's a cartridge style change system. It's going to come standard with our water separator and oil coalescing filter package, and is meant for, as an example, outside of a spray booth where there's very critical dry air needed, but it's not going to be flowing all day. Now this cartridge style dryer, as you can see, is not going to be having any sweep air. It's simply going to be having the air processing when there is demand for it. And now here's an example cutaway of the actual unit itself, and here's an example of the cartridge style that we use. Now it's two different types of desiccant media. It'll have a 10 micron mesh at the top as well to prevent downstream particulate getting into your application or spray. And beyond that, we have this pressurized as well, so there's not going to be any shaking or breaking of the media that you might see in similar technology within the industry. Now servicing the product is one of the advantages we have over other competitors as well, and we wanted it the same style of our other Tsunami products. Essentially what you do is you're going to twist off the bottom cap similar to what you do with other filtration packages, and simply the cartridge will sit on a quad ring at the top of the head and it will pop and release, and then all you simply need to do is have about 17 to 20 inches below to remove the bottom cap, remove the cartridge, and this will simply pop up, connect to the quad ring and hold in place, and then you can close it, and the bottom cap will actually push up in support on the cartridge style as well. And then with the technology that we have, the bottom cap will actually allow for the air to enter from the top, go all the way down, and then when it will reverse flow back up the top through the media downstream to your application.